Understanding how the brain naturally learns. The natural learning stages, compressed in 4 stages or expanded in 6 stages. Stage 1, motivation/watch. Have to, shown interest. Stage 2, start to practice. Trial and error, ask questions. Stage 3, advanced practice. Lessons, read, confidence. Stage 4, skillfulness, practice. Some success, enjoyment, sharing. Stage 5, refinement, improvement, natural, pleasure, creative. Stage 6, mastery, teach, recognition, higher challenges. The natural learning process. We learn through those stages because this is how the brain learns, by constructing knowledge through sequential stages. How the brain learns. We have about 100 billion brain nerve cells, neurons. Each neuron has one axon with many tails, terminals. These axon terminals send electrochemical messages to other neurons across tiny spaces called synapses. Learning creates the synaptic connections. The result is knowledge and skill constructed in our brain. Emotions affect learning. When learners feel unconfident or anxious, certain chemicals flow into the synapses to shut them down. Danger. No time to think. Just run away. This is the flight reaction. Students mistakenly think they have a poor memory, but it is their emotions that are sabotaging them. Endorphins released in the brain help cure this. When learners feel confident, different chemicals flow into the synapses that make them work quickly and well. I can handle this. This is the fight reaction. How the brain learns. Each neuron has thousands of dendrites, like tree branches and twigs. Dendrite means tree-like, which receive chemical, electrical messages from other neurons' axons across the synapses. The brain's constructive learning process. Like twigs on a tree that can grow only from a twig or branch that is already there, so dendrites can grow only from a dendrite that is already there, from something the learner already knows. Then, like twigs growing on a tree, learning is constructed higher and higher, skill and understanding increasing. How the brain learns. As we learn, as we experience, practice, and process, specific dendrites grow so that specific neurons connect at specific synapses to create larger and more complex specific neural networks. These networks are what we know and do. The more we grow, the more we know, i.e., our ceiling level rises. The brain's constructive learning process. As a learner goes through the stages of this natural learning process, the learner's brain constructs its neural networks from the lowest twig up. Thus, the first lesson must be a no-fail activity to which every student can make a personal connection to a twig already there, to something already known. Implications. Students who have had the opportunity to construct a foundation of the specific prerequisite dendrites for a specific skill or subject, or for school learning in general, will be able to catch on in class. They will be the A or B students. Students without this opportunity, even though capable and intelligent, won't be able to catch on as easily and quickly. They will be the F, D, or C students.